In other big news developing this Wednesday, we're watching closely. We head out to California. Terrifying images out of Los Angeles County, where a windstorm is fanning the flames of several major wildfires. As you can see in the video, they're burning out of control, destroying more than 1,000 structures and killing at least 2 people. The inferno is forcing tens of thousands of Californians to evacuate. The Palisades Fire is one of the wind-fueled fires burning. Firefighters are picking their battles with parts of the Pacific Palisades beyond saving.
Obviously, this one here is a total loss, so they're trying to move ahead and skip ahead, get in front of the fire, and keep it from going from one building onto the next.
Firefighters are also battling fatigue and finding some hydrants without water. One man using a hose to douse flames almost got burned in the process. Hurricane-force winds are also fueling the Eaton fire northeast of Los Angeles. Firefighters are hoping for even the slightest relief today.